Good morning. Today I will explain second chapter plant life in science. Already we explained roots. The two types of roots, tap roots, fibrous roots, and their importance also. And today I will explain the stem. The stem grows above the ground, branches, leaves, buds. Flowers and fruits grow from the stem. Stems of trees are thick and hard. These are called trunks. That means stem grow above the ground. And stems have many parts like branches, leaf, flowers, fruits are found in stem. And the stems of trees are thick and hard. Stem of trees, that means जो stem है trees का वो क्या है, thick and hard. Both type stems are in plants. These are called trunks, and these thick and hard stems are known as trunks. Examples are neem, mango, banyan trees. Examples. And the importance of importance of stems. First, it keeps the plants upright and straight. That means it support the plants and it keeps the plants सीधे खड़े रखने में, और इसको स्ट्रेट इसके हेल्प से प्लांट्स क्या होता है, स्ट्रेट खड़ा रहता है. लीव्स, बर्ड्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स ग्रो ऑन द स्टेम्स. द स्टेम्स helps in carrying water and foods to different parts of the plants. First, roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil, and stems stems help in carrying these waters and foods to different parts of the plants. Stems of some plants are thick because they store the food prepared by the plants, and some plants stems store foods, so they are thick. Such types of stems can be eaten by human beings, and example sugar cane, potato and ginger. The stems is thick, and these types of stems can be eaten by the human beings. Next topic, the leaf. Leaves are most important parts of the plants. Why? Because because it makes the foods for the plant, and leaves are also known as a kitchen of the plant because they prepare food for the plants. Most of the leaves are green in color, but some leaves are of different colors. Leaves have different shapes and sizes. Some are thin and narrow, whereas some are broad. Most of the leaves are green in color. Green in color. Why green in color? Because in leaf chlorophyll are present, and due to the chlorophyll the leaves are green in color. And the leaves have different shapes and sizes. Some are narrow shape, and some are thin, broad. The leaves have different texture also. Some are soft and smooth. Some are rough and plicky, whereas some are thick and spongy. They are different leaves are a different texture. Some leaves are rough and prickly, some are thick and spongy. फिर parts of a leaf. Part of a leaf. This is a leaf. The part of a leaf. The leaves has a broad flat parts. Broad flat parts. Leaves has a broad flat parts called a leaf blade या lamina. This is broad parts is known as a the leaves has a broad parts known as a lamina, and in the middle of the leaf is the main vein. In the middle of the leaf, one vein, this is called as a main vein, and a number of small veins branch out from the main veins, and this branch is known as a side vein. and these veins are called the side veins. The veins carry water to the leaves, and the side brain, these side brains carry the water for the leaf, water to the leaf, and the tip of the leaf is called tip, leaf tips, and this the tip of the leaf is known as a leaf tip. And importance, what is the importance of leaves? Leaves are called the kitchen of the foods factory of the plants. They make the food for the plants by using air, water and sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. Leaf is known as a kitchen of plants because they prepare food for the plants. They make the food for the plants by using air, water and sunlight, and leaves make the food for the plants, and this process when they and the using by the using of air, water and sunlight, and this process is known as a photosynthesis. The leaves have a tiny pores called stomata, and which helps the plants to breathe, and the upper lower side of the leaves present one tiny pores, and these tiny pores are known as a stomata, and which with the help of stomata the plants to breathe. We also eat the leaves of some plants like cabbage, spinach. These leaves store food. And we eat these types of leaves, spinach leaves, cabbage leaves, etc. Next, flower.